Welcome to Gecko Oasis. Today we will make one of my favorite drinks. Today we're going to make a drink called cotton candy melt. We start by gathering our ingredients. For this drink, you will need watermelon cotton candy. You will also need strawberry and limes. The base of this drink is strawberry bubbly and cranberry juice. Start with the strawberry bubbly and pour it into your mixing bowl. That. Now pour an equal part of cranberry juice into the bowl. And then stir. Knives are very sharp, so you should ask a grown-up for help if you need it. You will need 1/2 of a lime. You have to squeeze real hard to get some lime juice in there. Then you can stir it up. Fill the bottom of a bowl with a little bit of water. Then some red food coloring and some cane sugar. It should be pretty thick. Next, get a glass, then dip it in the sugar. Rotate the edges until it's all covered. Rotate, roll. So it kind of gets the sugar together. If you want, you can put your cup in for 30 minutes in the freezer. This helps set the sugar and makes your drink cold and refreshing. Next, fill the glass with cotton candy. Next, pour the drink mix on the cotton candy. Stir it up so the cotton candy is all melted. go ahead and get a toothpick. Poke it through some cotton candy. Be careful not to poke yourself. Next, grab a strawberry slice. Put the strawberry slice on with the cotton candy. That will keep all the cotton candy from melting in your drink. This is the cotton candy melt. Delicious.